Hey guys, this is Tech Pocket, and today I'm gonna show you how to change or customize your keyboard on iOS. So let's get started. So this is the only method that I have found so far that you can change the layout of your keyboard. So the app is called Color Keyboard and it's free from App Store. It looks like this. Once you have downloaded the app, navigate to Settings. Then go to General, scroll down until you find this Keyboard section. Click on the Keyboard section, go to Keyboards, then add a new keyboard. Here you will find this name, Color Keyboard, Color Keyboard. I have already done that, so that's why I don't have it. Once you have click on Color Keyboard, then set this Allow Full Access on. This will allow the app to make changes on your keyboard and let you add a customized keyboard on your Apple device. Close Settings and then go back to Color Keyboard. Here you'll find some amazing layouts on your keyboard. This is the only free app that I have found so far, and it has some amazing layouts. So I really like this keyboard, so I'm gonna select it. It's already selected, and now I'm going back. I'm gonna go back on the screen, and I'm gonna open Messages. To change your keyboard to the layout that you have changed it, just click on the Earth here, click the Earth again, and then click again, ABC, and now you have the keyboard. Now you can type with this keyboard. Even you have the swipe. So this is a very perfect app to change the color and the theme of your keyboard. So that was a quick video for today guys. I hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe to my channel to watch my latest videos, my latest tutorials. Also, make sure to follow me on Twitter and like my Facebook fan page to watch my latest videos, my latest tutorials, also my latest activities. Thanks for watching guys, and I'm gonna see you next time.